Let's get her open. Fresh, clean iPhone 16 Pro Max. Time to set the phone up. The phone is now all set up and going. I've only been going for a few hours with it, so I will definitely put a lot of use into this phone because now it's my main one. I still have my little Motorola Razr chilling here as well to use, but that's just an extra phone. But yeah, so far I really like it. I like the way it looks. I like the way this new case feels, and it's just, I'm bougie as hell, but it's nice to have a new phone in my hand. But yeah, this is the little first test video for the phone. I think it's going to be a great time recording with this over the next year or so. So that means just stay tuned for the vlogs. The Maui series that might be coming up is going to be a lot of fun recording with this and just seeing the quality versus the GoPro that I've used in the past. The little videos I've uploaded or recorded with this just recently have already been a lot better than the quality that my GoPro Hero 10 was ever giving me. I like the way this focuses, I like the way this looks, and it's just a lot crisper. So I hope you guys enjoy the content that comes from the iPhone.